Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Economic Offence Cell has registered FIR against accused Vijay Chogle, resident of Vaina, Vasco, Rodeep Mahatme, resident of Altin, Panji, Pratap Sirke, resident of United Kingdom, Fort Group, Maria Christine Poncher, resident of Europe, and some unknown accused for cheating an Europe and UK based company and a Mormugao based complainant person to the tune of 1007 crore rupees. According to EOC sources, the allegation is that the named accused approached that Europe and UK based company, persuading them to start a new shipping business in Mormugao, and on the instances of these accused, the company started a shipping company in 2009. Over the year, complainant company infused crores of rupees, and also loans were taken from the foreign banks and the institution to the tune of 1007 crore rupees. But that loan amount was write off by the complainant company instead of that shipping company. That's why the accused cheated the complainant to the tune of 1007 crore rupees. Economic Offence Cell is investigating the case, but so far no arrest has been made. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.